Hello, YouTube. Well, I did something I almost never do. I cut hay in May. I dropped about 6 acres yesterday after I got done rotary hoeing the corn. Just felt like getting things started. We're going to have a stretch of nice days. So, well, as long as I've got hay down, I suppose I probably should get my hay equipment ready to go. And one thing that I did a while back, I had to put a new seat on my 180. This is the old seat off the 180, and it broke earlier this spring while I was feeding round bales. And I stewed about what to do about it for a while. I was planning on welding it back together, but the more I looked at it, it was rusty and thin, and I just didn't think I had enough here to work with. So I decided to get a different seat for it. And I was planning on doing an entire video about this with the unboxing and everything, but then the 1486 went down and I had to slap my new seat on the tractor in a hurry and use it. Like I said, I stewed about what to do. My understanding is these 180s came with this nicer style of seat and the pan style seat like the D19s had. Now, I could be wrong about that, but that's my understanding. And the thing is, I like this tractor a lot and I use it a lot, so I was not going to put a chintzy aftermarket seat on it. And I could have went with the a pan style seat and got away a little cheaper. But in the end, I bought a replacement, an exact replacement for this. Now, DJS Tractor Parts, who specialize in Alice Chalmers stuff, they sell a replacement frame for that. And then I got new cushions from Allstate Ag Parts. Now, neither one of those companies sponsor my channel, but they could, hint, hint. So we'll walk out here. I have to say the parts I got looked really good. If anything, the replacement frame is heavier than the original. So, and the cushions are nice. The quality is everything I got, the quality is good. The fitment is good. The only thing I really didn't care for was the price. So this, what you're looking at here with shipping is about 650 bucks. So, but like I said, the quality is really good. The fitment is good. It's comfortable. So I guess the overall conclusion from this is, in the end, my butt is happy, but my wallet is sad. So anyway, it's done and I'm happy with this. On to the baler. So yeah, it's come to my attention that my gathering wheels here are not in very good shape anymore. Well, there's 3 whole fingers left on that one. So anyway, I ordered a couple of new ones from Shoop. And this baler, as well as some other Vermeer models, uses airbags, air springs, pneumatic springs, airbags. Now, one of these blew out on this baler about 10 or 12 years ago, and I replaced it. But of course, I don't remember which one it was. I kind of think it was this left one, but I really can't tell anymore. But the last few years, they've been leaking down. So Allstate Ag Parts had these airbags on sale this spring. I think they were 25 bucks off a piece. So I bought 2 new ones, so I'm going to replace them both. So I'll have that taken care of. Then I think the baler should be pretty much ready to go, other than I'll go over the adjustments on everything again and grease it. So I guess we better get busy. Okay, these new gathering wheels I got from Shoop, the replacements, these holes don't line up perfectly unless you stretch the thing a little bit to get them to line up, and it does not stretch easily. But as you can see, in the end, it does fit. Okay, gathering wheels are on, airbags are on and inflated. Neither job was too bad. So I guess there's nothing to do now but normal maintenance on the baler, and I won't bore you with that. So that's probably about all we'll get into today. So until next time, everyone out there, have a good day.